Hey everyone, and welcome back to our PHATLASH YouTube channel. Today we are going to be showing you how we create a beautiful Angel Lash UV set using our brand new PHATLASH UV glue and a UV lash lamp. So let's get started. So to begin the lash set, you are going to tape your client's under eye lashes. You can use either tape or gel eye pads. When applying your tape or gel eye pads, you are to ensure that no bottom lashes are left out. You are then going to take your UV lash glue and you are ready to begin the lash set. So to begin lashing, you are going to dispense a small amount of our PHATLASH UV glue onto your jade stone. One thing that I love about UV adhesive is that it doesn't rely on humidity to cure. Instead, the adhesive cures instantly when exposed to the UV lamp, which gives consistent results throughout the appointment. I would still work with a small glue dot and replace it regularly to keep the adhesive fresh. So to begin, you are going to isolate one natural lash carefully. Next, you will pick up your Angel Lash extension, dip in just the base into the adhesive and place it onto one natural lash with a small attachment point. Once you are happy with the placement and direction of the lash, you will activate the UV lamp for the recommended curing time according to your manufacturer's instructions. The lash will then be cured and secure, then you will simply repeat the process through the entire set. The process is going to be isolate, pick up the lash, dip it into the UV adhesive, place the lash onto your natural lash and then cure with the UV lamp. Taking your time with isolation is one of the biggest factors in achieving beautiful retention and preventing any stickies. Few tips to remember throughout your appointment is that you should keep your isolation clean every single time. Always check the direction before curing, as once the adhesive has been cured with the UV lamp, repositioning is not possible without removing the extension. Work methodically across the lash line to avoid missing natural lashes. Brush through the lashes regularly to check for any stickies. Replace your glue drop frequently for the best consistency. And follow your UV lamp and adhesive manufacturer's safety instructions, including appropriate eye protection and correct positioning of the lamp. So we want to educate you more on why we have brought out our brand new PHATLASH UV adhesive and why this is taking over the game. So traditional lash adhesives cure by reacting with moisture in the air, which means factors like humidity and temperature can affect how quickly the glue sets. On some days the adhesive can cure too slowly and on others it can cure too quickly, making retention less consistent. Whereas with a UV lash system, the adhesive cures when it is exposed to the UV lamp. This gives much more control as the curing process is triggered when you are ready, rather than depending on the room conditions. For me, some of the biggest advantages of UV lashes are they are more consistent, curing regardless of changes in humidity or temperature. You will have better control over your placement before the adhesive is cured. You have a reduced waiting time for the adhesive to fully cure compared with traditional systems, allowing clients to return to normal activities sooner, if the manufacturer's instructions say so. And it gives a smoother, more predictable workflow throughout the appointment. So how does a UV lamp work? The UV lamp emits UV light at the wavelength specified for the adhesive system. Once I've isolated the natural lash and positioned the extension exactly where I want it, I will activate the lamp for the curing time recommended by our lash glue. The adhesive polymerizes almost instantly, locking the extension into place. Because the curing happens on demand, you don't have to worry about the glue curing before you have finished perfecting the placement. Safety is so essential when using a UV lash system, as although UV lash systems can work very well, they should always be used responsibly. You should always follow the manufacturer's instructions for both the adhesive and the lamp. Ensure the lamp is positioned correctly before curing. Use appropriate eye protection where recommended by the manufacturer. Avoid directing UV light unnecessarily towards the eye or skin. And carry out a thorough consultation and avoid UV lash treatments where there are contradictions or if a client is not a suitable candidate. Your client's safety always comes first. So what are my top tips for the best UV lash retention? Even with a UV system, retention still depends on good lash technique. My top tips are: clean and prepare the natural lashes thoroughly. Use the correct amount of adhesive, not too much and not too little. Ensure the extension has a good attachment to the natural lash. Isolate carefully to prevent stickies. Cure each lash for the full time recommended by the adhesive manufacturer. Keep your UV lamp clean and maintained so it performs consistently. And replace your adhesive according to the manufacturer's guidance. A UV system does not replace good technique, it complements it. When you combine proper preparation, correct isolation, quality products, and accurate curing, you can achieve beautiful, consistent results with excellent retention. So as you approach the end of your lash set, you should always remember to brush through the lashes thoroughly from every angle. You are checking for the direction, the symmetry, any stickies, and that coverage is full. If everything looks perfect, you can then remove your iPads or tape and reveal the finished set. The curing process creates a clean, efficient application when used correctly. So let us know in the comments if you have tried our new UV lash glue and what is your favourite lash style to use when doing so.